me exactly 407 days before I reached my first 100 subscribers. Here's where I messed up and how you can do better. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. That and some other things are what YouTube gurus usually tell you when you search for ways to start your own channel. Before posting my first video on YouTube about starting my YouTube channel, I know, cliche, right? I already had collected tons of tips and advice that should have helped me, but got me confused more instead. Things that I should really have concentrated at that point in my channel were kind of overshadowed by other things I assumed were important. So instead of thinking what kind of channel I want to make and who my audience really are, I kind of concentrated on my imaginary YouTube house that I haven't even started building yet. So while I knew that I wanted to make videos about skill learning to show that anyone can do anything if they're really set on it, I didn't really consider what kind of skill those would be or who I was trying to reach. That's why I ended up making videos about how to make your own music and music videos and tips on how to start learning Japanese and other random things, which were fun for me to make but didn't really have a purpose in existing. Not having a small niche was my first mistake. My second mistake was that I didn't film any videos in advance to maintain a consistent upload schedule to get my first videos rolling. I posted mainly once a month, irregularly, with more or less break in between. Because writing a script, filming myself and editing still took a very long time and I didn't have any routine on it. So it's no surprise that while putting so much effort into thinking about content and filming it and making videos, which I would say had a pretty decent quality for a beginner, no results were showing and I finally quit after going through hell filming my long distance cycling in summer. Third mistake right here. I expected that I would just wake up and have magically gained 100 subscribers overnight. When in reality it looked more like one person per every video I made. After feeling quite defeated for no real reason at all, I had some pretty hectic months where I didn't manage to film a single video. Saying they were hectic is also a lie. I just didn't feel motivated enough to sit down, write a script and film videos that no one is gonna be watching. And while this was my own decision, this kind of kept stressing me out, because I still haven't given up on YouTube. But I knew the longer I took a break, the harder it would be to get back on track and not get punished by the almighty algorithm. At the point of my break, I had managed to gain 25 subscribers in 8 months with 12 videos made. So you could say that for every video I made, I managed to get 2 subscribers, even though half of those are probably friends that would have subscribed either way. So while I didn't have any time or motivation to sit down and film videos, I did have time to sit down and think about my channel and gather some video ideas. And I managed to gather enough ideas to fill a whole year, which magically also got me motivated again to start recording. Now let's look at things that helped me reach 100 subscribers. Instead of just filming one video and uploading it directly to YouTube, I managed to make 8 videos in my winter break and managed to schedule them so they will be uploaded weekly starting in January. I can't describe how hard it was to not upload them right away, but trust me, the wait is pretty worth it. And I did see a slight increase in subscribers while staying consistent and uploading on a weekly basis. I really want to say that consistency was key for picking up speed and reaching my 100 subscribers, but I feel like that would be too naive to say. While I did stay consistent and still am, I only managed to get those 100 subscribers in 3 months because one of my videos kind of hit the viral streak and blew up. And it's even one I didn't spend any time scripting or editing. For some that would be a happy thing, but I feel like it messed up the algorithm. Not only was it kind of a hit in the stomach regarding that quality should be better than quantity, it was also a video I thought was not worth publishing at first because it was nowhere near my niche. And also I wasn't happy with the edit. So when my subscriber count rose, I noticed that my main problem was my undefined niche and my tendency to make videos that are fun for me to make but not really benefiting for my channel. That's why I sat down last month and really thought about the audience I want to reach and the channel I want to make and rewrote all my video ideas for this year. So I rewrote a year's worth of titles and defined my niche further to help me reach my next milestone of 1000 subscribers. But that's probably gonna be for another video. To summarize it all together, here are my suggestions for new YouTube starters. Really think about the kind of videos you want to make and define your niche. Start by making at least 1 month's worth of videos before uploading to get some experience and be able to stay consistent. Always try to make your videos 1% better than the last one when it comes to editing, lighting, audio or content. Try looking into trending videos right now to get a viral one to boost your channel in terms of watch hour. And finally, don't give up. If you're interested in seeing how this journey is gonna continue, or if you're interested in how posting shorts every day for a month can affect your YouTube channel, consider subscribing and I will see you all next Wednesday. Ciao!